Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your heads-up display on your Mazda CX-5. The active driving display can be a little bit dirty. You can do not see the heads-up display very well. Then you can have a problem with the dust-proof sheet. There is an optical receiver and a dust-proof sheet, and we are going to clean them with a glass cleaner and a cloth. Here's the cloth and a little bit glass cleaner on top. Now let's clean the dust-proof sheet, because the dust-proof sheet is not fully dust-proof. As you can see, there is dust, and this dust will make a little bit problem with your active driving display on the windscreen. So, but after this clean out, everything is fine and you can go again with active driving display. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.